Plum tomatoes, also known as Italian tomatoes, Roma tomatoes, or paste tomatoes, are a popular variety of tomato, renowned for their firm flesh, fewer seeds, and rich flavor. These characteristics make them ideal for sauces, salsas, and canning. However, beyond their culinary versatility, plum tomatoes offer a wealth of health benefits. Before we proceed, please note that everything mentioned in this video is unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. Number 1. Heart health. The high levels of lycopene in plum tomatoes have been associated with a reduced risk of cardiovascular diseases. Lycopene helps lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels, and prevents oxidative damage, which can lead to atherosclerosis. Additionally, the potassium content in plum tomatoes helps regulate blood pressure, further supporting cardiovascular health. Number 2. Cancer prevention. The antioxidants in plum tomatoes, especially lycopene, play a significant role in reducing the risk of certain types of cancer. Studies have shown that a diet rich in tomatoes and tomato-based products can lower the risk of prostate, lung, and stomach cancers. Lycopene is believed to help prevent the growth of cancer cells and reduce the damage caused by free radicals. Number 3. Skin health. The high levels of vitamins A and C in plum tomatoes contribute to healthy, radiant skin. Vitamin C aids in collagen production, which is essential for maintaining skin elasticity and reducing the appearance of wrinkles. Vitamin A helps repair skin tissues and protects against sun damage. Regular consumption of plum tomatoes can help keep the skin looking youthful and vibrant. Number 4. Bone health. Plum tomatoes contain vitamin K and calcium, both of which are crucial for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Vitamin K helps with the absorption of calcium and plays a role in bone mineralization. Consuming plum tomatoes regularly can contribute to better bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Number 5. Weight management. Low in calories and high in fiber, plum tomatoes are an excellent addition to a weight management plan. The fiber content helps promote satiety, reducing overall calorie intake. Additionally, the high water content in plum tomatoes keeps you hydrated and can help control hunger. Number 6. Digestive health. The dietary fiber in plum tomatoes supports a healthy digestive system by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Fiber also helps maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria, which is essential for overall digestive health. Well, that is all about the health benefits of plum tomatoes. However, here are some frequently asked questions about plum tomatoes. Let's check it out. Question 1. How do plum tomatoes differ from regular tomatoes? Plum tomatoes have a denser flesh, fewer seeds, and less water content compared to regular round tomatoes. This makes them ideal for cooking and making sauces, while regular tomatoes are often juicier and better suited for salads and fresh consumption. Question 2. Can you eat plum tomatoes raw? Yes, plum tomatoes can be eaten raw. They are often used in salads, sandwiches, and as a fresh topping for various dishes. Their flavor is slightly more concentrated than regular tomatoes. Question 3. What are the nutritional benefits of plum tomatoes? Answer. Plum tomatoes are rich in vitamins A and C, potassium, and antioxidants like lycopene. Lycopene, in particular, is known for its potential health benefits, including reducing the risk of certain types of cancer and heart disease. Question 4. What is a good substitute for plum tomatoes? Plum tomatoes can be substituted with various alternatives, including cherry, grape, beefsteak, sun-dried, and regular tomatoes, as well as tomato paste and other options. Question 5. Can diabetics eat plum tomatoes? Tomatoes and carrots are both low in sugar content. In diabetic meal planning, tomatoes are categorized as non-starchy vegetables, similar to carrots. Well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for tuning in to Benefit Hub for your dose of health and wellness tips. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, so let's keep investing in it together. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and until next time, stay healthy and stay happy. See you in the next video.